Okay, friends, we are on to the third part of the scarf that we're doing. So this was the back loop only section, and now we're moving up to front loop only. So it's basically the same skill as down here, but it's just the front loop, and the texture of it is so different. So you'll have 3 different textures in your scarf after this, and then once you get here, we're gonna basically be done with all the skills of the scarf and just need to complete it. So way to go. But the scarf will also have a border and some tassels. I've kind of been working ahead before making this video. So this is kind of what you have to look forward to. All right, friends, into the tutorial part of this video. We're starting with single crochet. So you chain 1 and turn your work like normal. And then that stitch marker is showing us the first stitch of our row. And then we are going, that front loop is the one closest to you, right here. That's your chain 1. This is your first stitch. And you go under the front loop and then through the center of the stitch. So you're only catching that front loop on your hook. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, single crochet. So again, under the front loop, through the center of the stitch with your hook, single crochet. So just single crochet around that one loop, just like back loop but the front loop. And then as your loops kind of make these holes, don't worry about it. That'll take care of itself. All right, here's the end of the row. So, just marked it with the stitch marker. Grab onto only that front loop with your hook. Single crochet, next row, chain 1, turn your work, and do the same thing. Skip your chain, under the front loop, through the center with your hook. Under the front loop, through the center. Don't forget your stitch markers if they're helping you. So here I am just marking this single crochet so that I don't forget it. Do 5 rows of single crochet front loop only. And then meet me back for half double, which is right now. So now that we're doing half double, remember you still just chain 1 for half double crochet and then turn your work. For half double, you yarn over first, then catch the front loop. So go under the front loop through the center of the stitch with your hook. And finish your half double like normal. Yarn over, under and through, half double. Yarn over, catch the front loop, yarn over, pull through. And we're doing 5 rows of the half double as well. Okay, here's just half double again because I felt like I went kind of fast. Skip your chain. There's your front loop. Catch the front loop, yarn over, yarn over. This is kind of fast too. Sorry. But at least you can see it again. Okay, see ya at double crochet. Alright, and we're back for double crochet. So, at the end of your half double rows, you chain 2 for double crochet. 1, 2, turn your work. I'm having to roll my scarf. That's okay. So same thing that we've been doing. So you yarn over first for double crochet, and then we're going in under the front loop right where that stitch marker is. So behind the front loop, catch that front loop only, through the center of the stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then for double crochet, you yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So again, you yarn over for double crochet, catch just the front loop of your next stitch, whoops, yarn over, pull through, and complete your double crochet. yarn over, catch the front loop. Oh my goodness. Yarn over, pull through, complete your double. Here's the end of the row, just, to give you a visual. Yarn over, front loop only, where the stitch marker is, because that's how you know you're right at the end. No skipping stitches here. And there you go. Chain 2. Turn your work. Front loop only, double crochet. All right, at this point you can just do 5 rows of that double crochet and call it a day. You should have 15 rows of front loop only. And it's gonna end up looking like this, which you can tell the textural difference between back loop only and front loop only. So the double crochet up here, and then the half double crochet and the single. And that's pretty much it for this part, my friends. So thank you for watching and crocheting along. Next, we will be finishing up the scarf itself.